Hey, what's up guys? Jay here and welcome back to another video. And in this video, pag-usapan natin to, no? Ito yung bago kong paboritong wireless buds. Sobrang solid ng tunog, may hybrid na active noise cancellation, ang komportable sa tenga, ang forma ng design, ang ganda rin ng charging case, umiilaw pa, ang haba ng battery life, meron pang app na kasama or pwede kayong gumamit ng app para mabago-bago yung settings niya, and marami pa siyang ibang features na sa tingin ko naman magugustuhan nyo rin. Ano ba tong wireless buds na to? Well, this is the Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayon, and ano pang hinihintay natin? Let's go!
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance.
Alright, pasensya na, parang medyo naging over-enthusiastic tayo dun sa intro natin. Pero ang ganda kasi talaga ng experience ko dito sa Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. By the way, before we proceed, no, I just wanna say, full disclosure, binigay sa atin to or pinadala sa atin to ng Edifier para reviewin natin. That's why we have this video. But as always, makakaasa pa rin kayo, I'm still gonna give my honest feedback regarding this product. Okay, balik tayo sa review nitong NeoBuds Pro 2. And himayin natin yung mga sinabi natin kanina sa intro. Unahin na natin doon sa pinaka-importante, yung sound quality. And sabi ko sa intro, ang ganda, ang solid ng sound quality nito. Unang gamit ko pa lang dito, no, when I connected it sa phone ko to listen to music, sobrang na-impress na talaga ako. Ang clear ng sounds, ang clear ng mga frequencies, ang ganda ng mix ng highs, mids, and lows. And rinig na rin mo talaga yung music. I think the best way to describe it, no, feeling ko lang naman, no, is parang yun yung intention ng producer ng music o ng sound na yun na iparinig dun sa audience nila, dun sa makikinig ng music nila. Kumbaga, that's how they mixed it and mastered it sa studio nila. And yun yung naririnig ko using this one. Now, before this, no, ang gamit nating daily driver actually na wireless buds is itong flagship ng Sony na WF-1000 XM4s. Now, obviously, meron ng XM5s, pero nung lumabas tong XM4s, I've had this. And I enjoyed listening music with this one. But for some reason, mas nag-enjoy akong makinig ng music using this one. And I feel like mas maganda yung sound dito sa Edifier ko kumpara dito sa Sony na flagship na to. I know it's a bold statement, but I said what I said, no? But, ayun nga pala, just in case na yung default na EQ is hindi nyo trip, hindi nyo gusto yung pagka-connect nyo, nakikita parang may mali, or feeling nyo, nakukulangan kayo sa bass, sa mids, or kung ano man, don't worry. Yung Edifier has their app, no? Ayan, and dun sa app nila, you can adjust the EQ. So, ito, you have here 4 bands here na pwede nyong kalikutin para mag-match dun sa sound na gusto ninyo. Alright, so, yeah. This one, panalo yung tunog. Then you have yung hybrid na active noise cancellation nitong NeoBuds Pro 2. Now, yung active noise cancellation nito kapag ginagamit ko, lalo na kapag naka-on yung high na mode ng active noise cancellation, seryoso, feeling ko talaga wala na akong ibang naririnig na sound kundi yung lumalabas lang dito. Yung feeling mo sobrang isolated mo na sa mundo. Parang ganon. I mean, yung tipong kahit may sumagaw siguro ng sunog or ng emergency, parang hindi mo talaga siya maririnig, no? Ganong katindi. So, ginagamit ko rin to pag nagko-commute ako, obviously, let's say, nakasakay ng train or bus, hindi ko narinig yung mga tao sa paligid, and even yung sound ng bus or ng train. And even sa plane, no? Kapag may flight tayo, ginagamit natin to, hindi na rin natin naririnig yung sound ng plane. So, kung gusto nyo ng medyo tahimik, yeah, this is really a very good wireless bud. Now, just in case nga, no, na parang feeling nyo sobra naman or exaggerated yung pagka-noise cancellation ng high na active noise cancellation mode, buti na lang yung app nila may mga iba't ibang options. So, meron silang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na option pagdating sa noise cancellation. Yung high, yung binanggit ko. Then you have your medium noise cancellation, low noise cancellation, may ambient sound din, which is yung parang mas lalakas pa nga yung sound sa paligid ninyo. Then you have wind reduction, more of them para sa mic. And then, if you just want to turn off the active noise cancellation, meron din silang option na yon, and aasa lang kayo sa passive noise cancellation nitong wireless buds na to. Overall, I like yung active noise cancellation nito, and sobrang solid din talaga. Sabi ko kanina sa intro, ang ganda rin ng design nitong wireless buds and also yung charging case niya. So yung design niya is stem and lift. No, yan, yung ganyan, stem and lift. And I'm not always a fan of this. That's why I've never been a fan ng Apple AirPods. Yung mga gamit natin, laging yung bilog lang. But this is an exception. No? I like this. Sakto lang yung haba niya. Hindi rin sobrang malaki yung itong head niya dito. And then, at the same time, yung mga kanto na yan, I like yung parang nagmumukhang futuristic tong head, itong earbuds na to. No? And pag suot natin siya, hindi siya ganong ka-weirdong tingnan kahit may nakausli sa tenga natin na ganyan. Sakto lang kung baga. In fact, when I reviewed the NeoBuds Pro 1, I said the same thing. No? Ito yung NeoBuds Pro 1 or NeoBuds Pro. Nireview na rin natin sa channel natin. I said the same thing. I like yung stem and leaf implementation ng Edifier. Now going further, if you look at this, no, yung labels niya, yung right and left, yung right one is labeled na color red. Together with the letter R, and obviously it just makes it easy visually to determine kung ang inyong tinitingnan is yung right na earbuds or yung left. Just hindi kayo mag-rely lang sa letter. Yung color also helps, right? And then itong stem na side na to, by the way, may functionality yan. That's you can tap on it, and depende sa ginawa nyong customization sa app, it can do different actions like play, pause, play next song, play previous song, or activate yung iba't ibang active noise cancellation modes. Then we talk about yung charging case. Yung charging case is this one. The size is just like that. Sa size ng palm natin. And also, it's a clamshell form factor. And yeah, but the one that I really like about this, that color, no? Yung parang color indicator na yan. And another thing that I really like about that is if you use their app, pwede nyong mapalitan yung iba't ibang ng kulay yung pinaka-light indicator na yan. So you'll have 8 color options na pwede nyong gamitin. You have here yung white or cyan or blue or purple. Up to you. But the point is now, you can do that. Previously, hindi yan pwedeng gawin sa NeoBuds Pro. If I remember correctly, hindi napapalitan yung light indicator. But with this one, you actually can. Very subtle touch, simple, pero I really like it. When it comes to the battery life, so let's just say parehong fully charged tong buds ninyo at saka yung case. Kapag naka-on yung active noise cancellation, you're going to get around 4 hours dito sa buds, and then additional charge na around 12 hours coming from the charging case. Kung naka-off naman yung active noise cancellation, it's around 5.5 hours from this one, and then additional 16.5 hours coming from the case. Now you can charge this, you can charge the wireless buds obviously dito sa charging case, and you can charge this via the USB-C port na nasa likod. So it's a good thing na USB-C na siya. And also, may kasama palang USB-A to USB-C na cable yung box. Now, let's talk about yung comfort, no? Sa tenga kapag suot nyo to. And this is very important, no? Kasi kahit gaano kaganda pa yung sound, kung sakaling sakit naman sa tenga or sumasakit na yung tenga nyo kapag suot nyo siya, tatanggalin nyo yan. And my experience with the NeoBuds Pro 2, well, it's always been comfortable. And in fact, ito true story. Nangyari, so I was using it and listening to music, nakahiga sa kama and nakatulog tayo ng matagal. And paggising natin, suot pa rin natin yung wireless buds and hindi sumakit yung tenga natin. So really, it's very comfortable and ang ganda ng fit nung tip sa tenga ko. Kahit nag-workout tayo, kahit nag-jogging, nag-exercise, suot natin yan, hindi rin siya nalalaglag. Which is a very different story pagdating dito sa Sony natin na WF-1000XM4. I cannot count kung ilang beses na tong nalaglag habang suot natin. Buti na lang matibay siya at hindi siya nasisira, pero hindi talaga maganda yung fit niya sa tenga ko. Nalalaglag siya, and also sumasakit yung tenga natin pagka medyo matagal nang nakasuot yung ating Sony natin, which is not happening dito sa ating Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Now, just in case nga pala yung tip is hindi swak sa inyo, dun sa box niya may kasama siyang 6 pairs of extra tips, silicone tips, and may iba't ibang size din siya. So, kung ano yung size na swak sa tenga ninyo, yun ang gamitin ninyo. So, overall, pagdating sa comfort, sobrang panalo to para sa akin. Swak na swak sa tenga natin. Then para dun sa mga iba't ibang features nitong Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2, you can go dun sa app para ma-access siya. And marami siya iba't ibang features actually. I'm just gonna mention yung kadalasan na ginagamit natin. So one of them is ito yung games, which is ibababa niya yung latency to 80 milliseconds kapag ginamit nyo siya. So, importante yan lalo na kapag mga shooting game kayo, no? Nagka-Call of Duty kayo or kung anumang shooting game ginagamit nyo, gusto nyo nakasync yung audio sa video as much as possible. This one is very useful. Then you have here yung spatial sound wherein depende sa kung ano yung movement ng ulo ninyo, parang lumalakas or humihina yung sound sa right or sa left na buds niya mismo. Then the other things that I find very useful is if you go to that settings there, setting mode here is itong whirring detection, no? Itong whirring detection is wherein you can set it na kapag tinanggal nyo yung earbuds na ganyan, hihinto yung music. Kapag sinuot nyo ulit, magpe-play na yung music. Very simple pero ang ganda niyan, no? Pag tinanggal nyo ganun, let's say may gusto kayo mas marinig pa, by removing this, pagbalik nyo, magpe-play ng kusa na yung music. Then, ito rin, no, yung find my earbuds. So, let's just say na nawawala yung earbuds, you can click the search and magpe-play siya ng sound. No, walang GPS to. So, let's just say nawala to somewhere na malayo dito sa phone nyo. You're probably still not gonna find it. But if it's just close, what's gonna do is, if I click search here, it will play a sound. I don't know kung narinig nyo, pero ito, right now, is playing a sound. Lapit natin sa mic, no? And let's just say, at least give you an idea, no, na kung nasaan siya. And then if you found it, just click found there. And then last, siguro na babanggitin natin dito sa feature, is just itong shutdown timer. So let's just say, yung nakikinig kayo ng music and feeling nyo makakatulog na kayo. I mean, this is probably one of the application. You can set it that depending dito sa time na ilalagay nyo dito. So you have an option from 10 minutes up to 1.5 hours. Kusa siyang mag-shutdown or mag-go off para hindi tuloy-tuloy yung pakikinig nyo ng music. Alright? So, yeah, there are other things here na pwede ninyong gawin, yung control settings, yung touch sensitivity. But the point here is that yung app, no, as well, you can have different access or you can have access to this different features nitong Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2. Now, I have said a lot of good things about this NeoBuds Pro 2, pero kung meron akong isang gripe or parang medyo complaint regarding this is probably the mic. It's not the best experience dun sa kausap ko. So let's just say I'm in a call. Sometimes kapag ginagamit ko to is hindi naman sa hindi clear yung narinig ng kausap ko or nagpuputok-putok. It's more of just like yung quality na naririnig ng kausap ko, medyo parang thin yung boses natin. So, yeah, if there's something that this thing probably needs some improvement, it's gotta be the mic. So, please, Edifier, on the next iteration, please improve the mic. Now, for the most important question, I guess, magkano tong Edifier NeoBuds Pro 2? I think if you go to their website, it will say $99.99 US. Pero if you go some of the online shops, let's say sa Lazada or sa Shopee or sa kung saan man, and just make sure na legit yung shop, and kung pwede sa Edifier mismo na shop na rin kayo pumunta, you can also check the link below. Some of them will even say up to just 3,490 pesos. And I'm gonna say, at that price point, 3,490 pesos, this is a no-brainer. This is very good value para sa price na yon. Some of the wireless buds that offer the same thing and maybe not even that good is more expensive than that. Mas mahal pa dyan. Pero with this one, at 3,490 pesos, kung makukuha nyo siya sa price na yan, panalong-panalo na yan. Solid na yan. Nga pala, no, before I forget, may kasama nga pala siyang pouch. Itong NeoBuds Pro 2 sa loob ng box, may kasama rin kayong makukuhang pouch. So, very convenient, no? Pwede nyo ilagay dyan yung obviously yung mismong charging case with the buds and the charging cable. So, mas neat siya tingnan, and then madali siyang itago sa loob ng box and they're just in one place. So, that's included in the purchase. Really good. Alright, so dito na natin tatapusin tong review na to, and I'm just gonna say, after reviewing this and using this for a while, this has now become our daily driver for our wireless buds. Pinalitan na natin yung ating X and Force with this one, and no regrets with that. I'm enjoying my music with this one. So, I hope you are doing the same thing, or I hope you feel the same way pagdating sa review na to, and I hope that you did enjoy this. If you do have any questions, please do let me know sa comments section below. And please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Malaking bagay ang naitutulong niyan sa channel natin where we do some tech reviews, product reviews, tutorials, tips, anything tech. And if you enjoy this content, please come back for the next one. All right? Until then, see you in the next video. Peace out.
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands.